Hi, welcome back for another unboxing. Big box here today from one of my Black Friday hauls. So let's open it up. I think I have probably bought too many things during Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. So as you can see on this box, it was something from Filson. I like things from Filson, but sometimes I feel like the style is not quite match up my personal preference. But I do appreciate their quality, and they do have a lot of made in America products. Let's take this out. So I believe I got this for half price. So if you like Filson products, you should sign up their newsletter. So when they do sales, they would send you a private link to the page, for the sales page, before it's public to everyone. So you'll get a chance to buy what you like before everyone else. Let's see. This is their tote bag with zipper. Not sure if this is made in US or not, but I got it because I really like the color, and this bag has gotten many good reviews online, so I really like to see it in person. Wow. I know this bag may not look as big. Not sure you can tell. I feel like when you look at the front, it doesn't look as big. But when you open it up, look at the quality, chunky zipper Filson use. It just say it all. It's amazing. And they guarantee their product. Unless they change their policy, I believe they do lifetime guarantee. That means they will repair if something goes wrong. So when you open it up, it's a black hole. It's just huge. Look at that. It basically ate my whole arms. Yeah. Wow. It's a big size. I imagine this would be great for travel. Too bad they don't add crossbody strap, or else I would definitely use it on my next trip. Inside the bag, it's just a big compartment. It doesn't have any organization pocket or anything. So if you buy this bag, you probably want to use some pouches or bag organizer. And then this is the handle. I have to reshape it a little bit. And it has pockets, front and the back, big pockets, like easy access. And if you want to use it for document, you could. Pretty good size. And then on the side, it has side pockets. Should be big enough for a water bottle. It has it on both sides. Yeah, it's a very straightforward tote bag with vibrant, beautiful blue color and leather strap. Wow. I do like this a lot. I'm glad I got this. Blue is one of my favorite colors, and I've been wanting to add more colors to my wardrobe, so this would be perfect. So Hopefully you like to see some color here and not always earth tone and monochromatic color. So here is the Filson tote with zipper closure. Really big size, like you really can carry a lot of stuff. Well, thanks for stopping by, watching this video, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.